So students, today we are going to do the page number, that is 46, no grammar. Fine. So here back exercise is there. There are articles. What are the articles? Actually, what the articles are. Now I'm going to explain you people this no grammar. Articles we are doing a, an, and the. These are the three articles, fine, that we need to do in our this class. So first they have given the word a and an are articles, fine. The article a is used before words that begins with a consonant or a consonant sound. But in English, like we have read our poem A-E-I-O-U, that is based on the walls that I have told you. Clear? So in English, we have 26 alphabets, and they are A, B, C, D, E, and so on up to Z. Clear? So there are 21 consonants. 21 consonants are there, and how many vowels are there? 5. That is A, E, I, O, and U. These are our vowels, and rest, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are the consonants. So what are the sounds of consonants and what are the sounds of vowels? So sound of vowels: a, e, u, o. So these are the sounds of consonants. Rest, like in Hindi we are getting the sounds of b, c से स भी आता है, च भी आता है, means such like this, the sounds of consonants. So where we are using a and where we are using an, the word that gives the sound of consonants. Which are the consonants that I have written? B, C, D, and so on. So there we are using article a, fine. And where we are using an, where we are getting the sounds of vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. Earlier what you people are doing is you are writing like the word is beginning of the word is with vowel, so you are using an, that is right. But now the main thing is we have to see the sound, that the word which gives the sound of vowel, over there we have to use article an. Clear? And the word which gives the sound of consonant, there we are using what? Article a. So now they have told us the word a and an are articles. The article a is used before words that begin with a consonant or a consonant sound. Means if the word is beginning with a consonant, that is okay, but if it is giving the sound of a consonant, then we have to use article a. And same before words beginning with vowel or a vowel sound. Means apple, eagle, aeroplane, R. See, H, this is not a vowel, fine, but it is giving the sound of vowel. Why? Because H is silent letter over here, silent alphabet, sorry. So an honest man. Clear? The articles a and an are used with singular noun. Singular noun means one. Clear? So now this is the exercise you need to do. And then see, they have given us, we use the. Now comes the article the, where we need to use the article the. Clear? They have given us when there is only one of something. Like with proper noun we can say that. With proper noun we are using article the. Clear? And if you remember, we have done degrees of adjectives. Clear? Degrees of adjectives. So from that I would like to tell you, with superlative degree we have to use article the. Tall, taller, tallest. So we will say Ram is the tallest boy in the class. So this is our example. Clear bacha? Ram is the tallest boy. So we have used article the over here. Clear? And like when we talk about something for the second time, like if I have started talking about any person, not person but about a thing, so when I will remain means when I will keep on talking about the same thing, I will use the article the. Like I met a boy in the park. See, I told you with singular noun we use article a. And again the boy looked happy. Again we are talking about this boy only, so here we have used the with same noun. Clear? We also use the when we talk about a particular thing, about the exact about what thing we are talking about. If I'm talking about, see, I was talking about a boy, so I used the over there. Look at the bird on that tree, that specific one bird we are talking about. Clear? The forest has many trees, so trees are many, but we are talking about the forest, so the. Clear? Now what you need to do is you need to do this exercise and we will tell your answers.